Welcome. Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss most amazing topic. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2022 expected specifications and price. Samsung already offers some of the finest Android tablets on the market. The South Korean tech giant is now expected to add a new tablet to its lineup, which will most likely run Android 11. According to a report by Android Central, the company is working on a successor to the affordable Galaxy Tab A7. And some of the tablet's key specifications have been leaked online. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2022 is expected to be available. Samsung may provide additional information about the Galaxy Tab A7 2022 after the release of the Galaxy Z series foldable devices. According to a report, the rumored pill could also be the entry-level model of a collection that's more likely to include costlier variants with extra RAM and storage. The price for the least expensive model is anticipated to be €199, around 16,200 rupees. The company, on the other hand, has made no public confirmation of the information. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2022 expected specification. According to the report, a tipster has also tweeted a picture of the proposed design of the upcoming pill, which resembles the previous model. The Galaxy Tab A7 2022 is anticipated to feature a 10.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 1200x2000. The tablet will most likely be powered by the Unisoc T618 chipset, with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, expandable to 1 TB. The Galaxy Tab A7 2022 could feature a single 8MP camera setup on the rear and a 5 megapixels front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The tablet is anticipated to include a 7040 mAh battery and could run Android 11. For more details, click on below link. Thank you for watching.